Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable the picture-in-picture preview for video clips you insert into your video projects on Adobe Express Video. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if you're working on a video clip here in your video project on Adobe Express Video, what you want to do is see the preview of video clips from the Adobe Express Video library, for instance, before you insert it to your timeline, for instance. And you can do this through a picture-in-picture video mode so that you see them here in the bottom right corner before you add them to your timeline actually. So what you want to do is navigate to add content here, select media, and then you will see, for instance, then library here, and you may go with a specific search term here, or I don't know, look for a specific video clip and a specific search term, and then what you want to do is right click into the given video and then enable picture-in-picture. And you will see the source here at the top right, the preview button, fast forward, and so on and so forth. And so that you may see it here in a larger version than here in the thumbnail and decide whether you'd like to add it to your video clip timeline or not. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.